Vehicle injectors can become clogged due to poor quality fuel, combustion residues and deposits that accumulate over time, especially with predominantly urban use and frequent cold starts. This compromises proper fuel atomization, worsening combustion and causing reduced performance, increased fuel consumption and irregular engine operation. To effectively address this issue, in this video we will use the Klean 4000, a machine developed by Geatek capable of performing 3 different types of cleaning, including injection system cleaning. The entire process will be illustrated, from initial installation to the end of the intervention. The procedure begins by connecting the Klean 4000 directly to the vehicle battery terminals, making it independent from any external power source. Next, the adapters supplied in the kit are connected following the vehicle-specific instructions. In the case of a diesel engine, the red supply hose of the Klean 4000 is connected in place of the fuel supply coming from the tank, while the blue return hose is connected in place of the return line to the tank, creating a closed circuit. The tank hoses are then connected together, forming a second closed circuit. The specific ISC diesel or ISC petrol product is then poured in. Depending on the engine type, cleaning program is selected from the menu, setting the appropriate pressure. At this stage, the engine is started at idle and the program is launched from the Klean 4000 screen. The rapid cleaning cycle lasts 20 minutes, while the intensive cycle lasts 40 minutes. At the end of the treatment, the vehicle's original system is restored. Cleaning injectors using the Klean 4000, compared to traditional additives poured into the tank, allows intervention directly at the source of the problem, avoiding the dissolution of deposits in the fuel filter. Moreover, the use of a highly concentrated formula effectively dissolves deposits, restores the correct functioning of the injectors and helps prevent future failures.